Hello friends, you all are amazing and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to watch a superb essay on myself. So let's get begin. Myself. I am a girl. My name is Shreya. I am 11 years old. I go to school every day. I am in standard 6. I am active and strong. I do my homework every day. I obey my parents. I get up early in the morning. Ramesh Bhai is my father. Geeta Ben is my mother. I have one sister. She is small. I help her in her studies. I live in Vadodara. I am healthy. I love my family. So friends, how was the video? If you like it, please subscribe the channel and see you soon in another video. Till then, keep watching, keep sharing, keep learning. Thank you.